Hello again guys. In this quick video, I'll show you how to screenshot chats on Snapchat for web. The first thing that you need to do is just simply open your web browser in your PC or laptop. And once opened, just click here in the URL address and type snapchat.com. And once you're here, just simply click this log into chat. And from here, just proceed in the sign in option using your username or email as well as your password. And once done logging in or signing in your account, just simply open your recording software. Here, I'm just using this OBS application for recording. And as you can see here, I have a sneak preview of the window of a Snapchat from my web browser, wherein you can take a screenshot of your chat in your Snapchat. Basically, not only you can take a screenshot, but also you can record the whole conversation of what's going on using this recording in your PC that you may use later on for review. Okay, that's it guys on how to screenshot chats on Snapchat for web. Okay, thank you for watching and keep following and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.